Today we're diving into the Kwikset Halo Keypad Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. This device promises to revolutionize your home security with keyless entry, remote control, and integration with your smart home system. In a world where smart homes are becoming the norm, the humble door lock remains a relic of the past. Traditional locks, while reliable, often fall short in the era of connectivity and convenience. Today we're diving into a world where keys are optional, security is smart, and your door lock can do more than just lock and unlock. Say hello to the Kwikset Halo Keypad Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. This product promises to eliminate the hassle of keys and integrate seamlessly with your smart home to offer robust security features. Be sure to click the link in the description for the best deal on this sweet buy. The Kwikset Halo is designed for easy DIY setup. All you need is a screwdriver and you're good to go. It fits standard doors and comes with everything you need for installation, including batteries. Once installed, connecting to the app is a breeze. The built-in Wi-Fi means no additional hubs are needed. Through the Kwikset app, you can remotely lock and unlock your door, share access codes, and receive notifications about door activity. You can even control the lock with your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The backlit keypad supports up to 250 unique codes, perfect for family, guests, or even contractors. You can share temporary, scheduled, or permanent access codes through the app, making it versatile for any situation. You can set the door to lock automatically after a certain duration, ensuring your home is always secure, even if you forget to lock up. Additionally, it offers intrusion detection, sending instant alerts to your phone if someone tries to tamper with the lock or enters an invalid code. The Kwikset Halo is built with robust materials designed to withstand the elements and frequent use. The lock and handle come with a lifetime mechanical and finish warranty and a 1-year electronics warranty. So why choose a smart lock over a traditional one? Smart locks offer the convenience of keyless entry, remote access, and integration with other smart home devices. When shopping for a smart lock, look for features like Wi-Fi, connectivity, app control, voice assistant compatibility, and robust security features. The Kwikset Halo ticks all these boxes, offering a comprehensive solution for modern home security needs. Let's hear what real customers have to say about the Kwikset Halo. One user found the installation straightforward and appreciated the ease of setup through the app, though they noted occasional connectivity issues with their mesh Wi-Fi network. Another user praised the lock's functionality and ease of use, but mentioned that battery life could be better, especially with frequent usage. Overall, users are impressed with the lock's reliability, ease of installation, and the convenience of keyless entry. However, some have experienced minor issues with the app and battery life, which is something to keep in mind. Here are 3 key features that make the Kwikset Halo Keypad Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock a sweet buy. 1. Remote control and notifications. This feature allows you to lock and unlock your door from anywhere and receive instant alerts about door activity, providing both convenience and peace of mind. 2. Voice assistant integration. Seamlessly integrate with Amazon Alexa or Google Home for voice control and smart home automation, making your life easier and more efficient. 3. Auto lock and intrusion detection. Set your door to lock automatically for added security and receive immediate notifications of any tampering or invalid code attempts, ensuring your home is always protected. Do you think smart locks are the future of home security? Let us know in the comments below. You are simply sweet for watching. Thanks and see you in the next video.